For mapping of adjoining areas, you can draw joint contours with the aid of object snap modes. We select an area mapping class and activate the polygon tool to draw a polygon area. Then we activate one of the object snap modes. There are different types to choose from: endpoint, midpoint, center of circles, point of intersection and insertion point. We will take endpoint. Select another mapping class and draw another mapping area. If your cursor meets an existing line, you can see how the left or right endpoint of the line is proposed to you. With left mouse click, it will snap to the endpoint and you can go on to the next point and another and another. We switch to the third class and activate the object snap mode midpoint. If the cursor hovers now on a line, we can choose between the indicated endpoint and midpoint. Snap to the midpoint, endpoint, midpoint. With the tool Object Snap Mode for drawing, you have the opportunity to use elements or important lines of a cat drawing lying in the background in your mapping by snapping corner marks or strong points of windows, stone edges or the like. As long as you don't have a cat drawing in the background and are solely mapping on the photo, this function is disabled. To load a cat file, you must switch to the project tree under Drawings, right mouse click, cat drawing, and work with an existing DWG DXF drawing as a foundation for your mapping. Further details are shown in another tutorial. We return to the mapping. Deactivate the object snap modes and work with a freehand line. If you wish to work regularly with the freehand line, you need to take into account to always use the same screen resolution in your project. When using different screen resolution, you can see differing point concentration in your lines. Under Project Settings View, you can determine an user-defined scale and activate it any time with 1 to X to jump back to an identical scale for your freehand line. Apply. With the zoom option overall image view, we jump to the total working area. Actual pixels switches to 1:1 screen display. With 100% you can get a screen display corresponding to the scale of printout at 100%, and with 1 to X we'll return to our user-defined scale. If you wish to move within the scale, you can activate the navigator window. You can see the current displayed area. You can change the window size and with pressed mouse click adjust the section position. We deactivate the navigator. Under Project Settings, Symbols Mapping, you can adjust mapping accuracy in freehand mode, meaning a minimum gap between points of a freehand line. The stated measurements refer to the object scale 1:1. For our example, it amounts to 1 mm. For little wobbles in the freehand line that are automatically corrected, you are able to determine that all areas smaller than 30 square centimeters shall be cutted and corrected. You can activate a snap radius that makes it possible to enter a freehand line without pressing right mouse click, which is primarily convenient for tablet PC uses. The same goes for the delay of measuring function. When the pen leaves the tablet PC while in freehand mode, the area will be completed after the inserted time frame and switch to the polygon mode. Apply. We have now activated the snap mode. If we now draw with freehand line and come nearby within a radius smaller than 50, the function will be completed automatically. That has the benefit that you can avoid unnecessary wobbles in your line when pressing right mouse click. Over the drawing dialog for tablet PCs, you can activate or deactivate the snap radius, the scrolling function or the delay mode. You can also activate automatically areas in area mapping by using the cat wand, in case your work is based on a cat drawing or you drew leaded windows or stone profile with line mapping. We select the line mapping class Fissure and construct a stone profile. We activate the element, right mouse click, copy element. Draw a vertical line left and right. Select with left mouse click, right mouse click to copy. And right mouse click to apply. Now we activate an area mapping class and select the cat wand function. It opens up a dialog. In the pull down menu you can decide between based only on mapping, only cat data or both. If we now click on an area, the single area will be marked. Activate the function Extend Selection to mark other areas additionally. Click on Accept Areas to transfer all selected areas into the current mapping group. We switch the mapping class. Accept Areas. With delayed areas, already marked areas will be deleted from your selection. We return to the hammer tool to delete all previous areas. And activate the cat wand again. With pressed left mouse click you can select all areas at once, and all available areas are shown to you. With the filter areas within interval below, you have the opportunity to select areas by size. Enter cuboid width, and all areas not according to our data are shown as yellow areas. Accept areas, and only the violet areas were transferred to in our mapping class. Again, we activate all elements, set the range down, this way you also mark small and rather big mapping areas concurrently.